Welcome and good morning to everyone. It's pleasure again to interacting with you in the morning. We are every day trying our best to give you a different aspects of your health so that you stay healthy and work better. Today we are focusing on our back, which is I think most of the people are concerned about that because your mind is again and going to one area of the body, that is your back. It is upper back, it is lower back, it is middle back, it is a strain, it is a stress, it is a stiffness, whatever the different ways people are always giving the complaint or saying this is a disturbance, is an obstruction. So we have to remember one thing. Spine had three different areas. We always consider the upper back, middle back and the lower back. Now every area, upper back have also limitation. It can go up to some extent for twisting. It can go by the neck or little shoulders up to some extent back and some extent forward. The middle back can only contract and expand. We can give this movement. There's a less effect, no doubt, with upper and lower back practices. Also the middle back is getting little twist. But if you really want to open that middle back of the area, this area, you need to little bit expand and contract and expand. And the lower back is we are using generally for movements, forward bending, backward bending, twisting or balance. So what are the causes? I think we all are very much aware. Still I would like to just give you the posture. Now 24 hours I know nobody can stay aware about the posture, but once you make your body align, once you just train yourself to remain in this position, it will not disturb again and again. Because it happened when long hours we are sitting or standing. As I always say, anything which is overused, not used or misused will create a disturbance. So this is one of the region of our body which is a very much part of our personality, how you are standing, how you are talking, because this is shows your face aura along with your posture. If your posture is like this, even you are sitting little loose on the sitting chair or table, you won't be able to focus. You need an attentive state. When we say attentive and straight, never means stiff. When we say, many times when we say to the people sit straight, people do like this. So this is wrong. Straight is always keep your lower back little raised. So there are practices, yoga postures, but on the spine or on the abdomen. We are going to do that also, but I am focusing part by part. Certain movements, near about 10 to 20 movements, which you can really maintain. You don't need any specific time for that. While sitting on the bed, while sitting on the chair, in between you can do and release the strain. But it is now, question is, how many of you are really aware about that? But I think we are always focusing when it is extreme pain, shooting pain, let's take a painkiller. Friends, please remove this habit, reduce this habit. Just make healthy your spine, make healthy your back, make healthy your overall, so that you reduce the injuries, reduce the problems. So it should not occur again and again. Do not wait till anything become disease. Let's begin. The starting practices we are going to do today in sitting. First we will start with the neck. Neck have 4 direction movement. I am giving you today bending forward and backward, 1 movement, 10 seconds hold, then second sideward bending with the specific way, so that you can see that it is how effective it is. Now sit straight, take a cushion with you, everybody near you, sit on the cushion, or if you are on the chair is fine. Sit straight, eyes closed, and slowly take your neck towards the right, upward. When you reach completely by the neck at the back, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly come to center. Then go forward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come to center. Now bend your neck towards the right and place your left hand under your seat. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. I am just selecting today the specific practices. Now the right hand under your seat and bend your neck left. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now the second region will come to the shoulders now. There are many different variations to move the shoulders or give a little movement to the. Let's do few. Let's first try with the place your right hand on the left shoulder, press it back and turn your body towards the right. With the hand, with the tip of the fingers, press your shoulder opposite and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep the left hand on the right shoulder. Just press it with the and turn the neck opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now raise your shoulders up. Inhale up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and release. Here you are not raising the whole body, simply shoulders. Now once again, inhale, raise the shoulders, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the different regions of the body we are raising and giving a impact on specific region. One time more, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Now just make a one movement from the front and one movement from the back. These are the practices. Sometimes you can change the practices, but keep on doing these movements. Now place the right hand at the back. Hold with the left hand and press it towards the opposite. Experience the side stretch. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Now the left hand with the right hand, press it opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. So we have done shoulder circle, side way and the lower. Now back way. Making finger lock, keep it at the back. Inhale and stretch. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Second time. Inhale and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Now we'll raise a little bit thoracic, upper thoracic region. Cross the arms. Keep on inhaling and keep on raising the arms above the head. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. While doing this movement, do not put strain. Just gently move. You are just keeping the mind, you are opening something. On those areas which are generally in a day-to-day routine when you are sitting, You don't care about them. Now, second time, keep on inhaling and keep on raising the arms above the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. It can be repeated 5 times, 7 times, 10 times according to the time. So, we will be doing now holding the shoulders with opposite hands, crossing the elbows. Now the stretch is maybe the back part of your shoulder, which is very rare time the stretch goes there in any of the activities of the day. So just raise the elbows up, not the body, just simply raise elbows. 1, inhale up, exhale, come down. Here the stretch is more from the center, shoulder sideways, shoulder blades. Inhale, go up, just the elbows. Exhale and come down. One time more, inhale, go up. Release. Now, let's give the upper body twist now. The upper body, place the right hand on the left shoulder and left hand at the back and twist the body. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the left hand to the right, right hand at the back, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This can be also repeated 3 to 5 times, looking to the time. Now, keep your right hand on the right knee and from the back. And from the back, by the left hand, hold your right arm. Sit straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Now left hand on the left knee, by the right hand from the back, hold your arm, make a hook, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can be also repeated 3 to 5 times. One time more, right hand, by the left hand hold the arm from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Now, we will come to the middle part on this region. Here we will do 2 actions in a sitting position, rest we will do in the back. So, push your back, middle part of the back, push back and bring your body forward. Then push inside and chest open. Now go back, you are just giving up, outside, now inside. Inhale, open, outside, exhale, inside. One time more, open, inhale, outside, exhale, outside. Now, these are the few practices we have done in the sitting position. Let's come to for the middle back only we will now focus first. Come to the knees and hands. So, come to knees and hands. Distance little bit according to width of the shoulders. And just again, same movement which you have done sitting, now up, down. Raise your back up and head down. Exhale, push down and head up. Again, inhale, go up, head downward. Exhale, push down and head up. Third time, inhale, go up. Exhale, bend forward. It also can be repeated 3 to 4 times, 3 to 5 or 7 times. Release. Now we'll, in the same position, we will do some practices for the lower back. Come to this position. You will be raising your right leg up maximum, as much you can. Stay straight. Release. Other side. Go up maximum. Release. Now, in the same position, for the middle back only, open the legs, open the knees, and cross the arms behind the head. Hold with opposite hand to your shoulders. This frog pose, it is giving a complete stretch to your spine and each and every joint of the body. We are focusing maybe on the spine, but no doubt the whole body is connected to each and every region. Release the hands and bring your knees closer. Now come to your back. There are many spine twisting practices, but we are not going to do all today. We will be focusing for the lower back practice only. So first we will do contraction expansion like Setu Bandhasana. 3 times. Inhale, go up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. One time again. Inhale, go up. Hold the hands, finger lock straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will release all strain of your lower back. Now third time, inhale, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now bring your both the knees closer to the chest. Hold like this for a while. This will give a nice stretch to the lower back. Now give a stretch to the whole back. Raise your head. Now the complete spine is stretched. The lower spine is getting stretched downward. Upper spine is upward. So it is giving a complete stretch. Release. Second time, again, inhale, go up. Exhale and come down. Repeat the movements instead of longer holding. After some days you can hold longer. Release. Now open your legs. Open your arms in the line of shoulders. We are going to do this is practice 1 time, but this has to be repeated 10 times. Distance around 2 feet. Keep your both the knees towards the left side and head towards the right. You're simply going by the knees, not putting any strain on any region of the body. Simply focus feet on the ground and knees to the opposite side. And experience the mild stretch, which is very deeper and effective, and the pelvic stretch along with. Now to the other side. Release. Now second variation. Again this effect will go to the whole spine. Place your right foot on the left knee. Turn your both the knees towards left and head towards the right. Very pleasant stretch. which is not painful, but it is very effective and deep. Release. Even sometimes you are not aware you have a pain, but when you do stretches, specific stretches, you understand how much strain was there, and will disturb your energy flow. Release. Now come to your abdomen. Now come to Niralambasana. Place the face between the palms. Bend your both the legs, feet together and knees apart. Stay for a while in this position. Release. Join your, straight the legs. Now straight the hands towards the head. Now we'll be raising our right leg, left hand, left leg, right hand. Holding. Raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now left leg and right hand. Raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here we stretch the two opposite body parts, and the stretch was more in the spine, different areas. Now open your legs. We'll be doing 5 movements together. We are going one posture to another posture to other posture. So which you can repeat 3 to 5 times later on. So place right hand, both the hands side of the chest. Slowly raise your upper body part by part up to the pelvic region. This is a one movement. 2 is look towards the right foot. 3 go to the left foot. Now in the same position, make your feet together at the back. Go to your feet and bend forward. The whole spine backward, forward and sidewards twist. Release. Let's repeat one time more. Same practice. Keep your legs open. Gently raise up. Head, neck, shoulders, chest, upper abdomen, complete pelvic up to 1, 2, 3. Feet together. 1, 2, 3. Go to your feet and bend forward. Hold. Release. Come to your abdomen again. Relax a while. Deep breathe and exhale. Now, 7 movement for strengthening the back. That is a Chaturangasana, plank position. So, 7 times just raising up and down, not holding. This practice can be developed slowly for holding longer and longer time. But for this purpose today we are doing just inhalation, exhalation. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Third time, inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Fifth time, inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Sixth time, inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Seventh time, inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Again relax a while. So, whenever you need to relax when you have a back pain or so, avoid on the back. Relax in this position only. Maybe you can remain in child pose like this, or you just stay with open legs at the back. Cross the arms. You can cross the arms, head on that, or you can place palm on the palm and head on this, and opposite. So you have to select your angle. Now, slowly. So this relaxation aspect you have to develop it. Slowly come to sitting position. Now we'll be doing the last practice. Let's do 50 strokes Kapalbhati. Sit straight. Eyes closed. This is the purification practice. Start. Always when you end the session, stay for a few minutes with yourself, with closed eyes, because whatever the practice we have done, now the time, if immediately you just rush to think and do activities, and at least for a few minutes remain in the same state of body and the mind, and just see how the energy is flowing. The spine is the main area from where all there are the energy centers. There is energy is flowing. That's why if it is stiff, if it is not comfortable, their energy will be slowly go down. So we will be ending the session. Join your hands. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. We'll end the session.